Today we have Mom She Charm of FH Moms. She is the one who organized the Computer para kay Nanay project, and it's because of her a lot of aspiring VAs came here today and was able to receive laptops. Right? Laptops sponsored by, I think it was in partnership with USAID and the Asia Foundation. Yes.
And the youth-led.
And the youth.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us more on what? Let's talk about you first. Okay.
Okay.
Who is Mom She Charm?
Okay. I'm Mom Si Charm. Actually, I'm Charmy.
Charming.
So, yung Mom She Charm ko is parang yung community kasi nasanay na Mom She. Parang mothering like that na I'm always leading the community kasi. So, when pandemic hits, and then naghanap ako ng part-time kasi nasa bahay. Sanay kasi akong kumita. So, I have business before, and then nasa sales din ako, real estate before I transition sa work from home setup. Why? It's because I also have a son na diagnosed with spectrum ASD, autism. So, nung na-diagnose siya, so, kailangan ko mag-stay sa bahay. But, I'm a mom na, and a person na outgoing.
Yeah.
So, lagi ako nasa labas. Sanay akong kumausap ng tao, makipag-deal ng tao. So, ayun, nag-connect ako, sumali ako sa FH Moms, and I saw the group. And then, ang dami kong groups na sinamahan. But, ako kasi yung tipo ng tao, nasasamahan kita, but kung align tayo ng prinsipyo and vision sa buhay, I'm very particular with that. So, ayun, sumali ako sa FH Moms, tapos, I joined them, then, si Mami Rhea, is kapitbahay ko. Tapos, sabi ko, Mami Rhea, I want to meet Mommy MK. Sabi niya, sige, sama ka sa amin sa isang event. Tapos, Mommy MK saw me. Yon, doon na nag-start yon, yung event namin ng inner circle ng agency owners. From that, mga 2 years ago na siguro, ayan, hanggang dito na, ayan. And I'm also a co-founder of Virtual Automate. But for now, kasi before nung start ako, as in, ako yung gumagawa ng website, sa tech din naman ako, tech side.
Okay.
Mas yung gusto ko yung niche, though lahat yan pinagdaanan ko. As in, I started from nothing, tapos I enrolled lahat ng courses na free. Kasi I got scammed then before. I enrolled, and then they just get my money, and then join a group. Tapos, alam mo yun, wala akong nagkukuhang benefit. Then, I saw FH Mom, may mga free webinars kasi si FH Moms with IGA. Then, nanalo din ako nung, course. So, I took that advantage, and then, I was connected with the DACT. Naging scholar din nila ako to. So, inaral ko. Nag-aral ako na nag-aral. Kasi yun yung way ko para din ma-focus ako sa isang bagay na hindi ako mag-focus sa mga negativity. Having a child with ASD is really difficult. And to cope up, mahirap yon. So, humanap ako ng way. So, yun. Yung freelancing nga, yung nakita ko, being a virtual assistant. Pero virtual assistant is very broad pala nung pinasok ko siya. Yes. So, nabombard ako ng mga So, I also joined a group, tapos nagkuha din ako ng mentor. Tapos mag-narrow down ako, tignan ko daw kung anong niche yung gusto ko. So, I tried all, SMM, and all. And then, nagustuhan ko talaga yung sa tech side. Kasi, problem solver ako eh. Gusto ko na challenge. I don't do coding, but yun sa mga system flow, yeah, I do that. So, right now, I'm a co-founder. Tapos, dun sa VA agency namin, we hired 4 na. Maliit pa lang kami. Batangas base yung partner ko na best friend ko din. Sa Batangas siya. Then, I'm here in Laguna. So, currently, I want to build also here para mas malapit sa community ko. Mas direct ko silang matutulungan.
And you're very active sa not only the community, but you're active with government projects.
Yes,
ikaw yung nagpo-provide na, you're organizing
resources. Kasi yung kagandahan po sa FH Moms, Mami MK gave me the opportunity to connect to sa mga resources. Katulad, same lang din yung ginagawa niya, kinoconnect niya yung resources, binababa niya sa community. So, ako, dinuduplicate ko lang kung ano yung ginagawa actually ni Mami MK. Kasi nakita ko maganda yung effect eh. Kasi na-experience ko myself. Product ako ng FH Moms, product ako ng mga DICT also. Kaya yung DICT, nakikipag-collab din ako sa kanila directly. That's why we have Tech Ed Center here with the provincial head nila si Ma'am Hayes. Ayun, yung connect lang talaga.
Ang laki ng contribution mo dito ha, especially in your area because
Yes.
I've talked to your barangay captain. It seems that
Yeah.
you're responsible for a lot of successful events and you're doing multiple and today you did 2 in the same day.
Yes,
And
siguro will din ni God. Kasi sabi ko nga, I don't think na sa akin lahat parang ibabato yung recognition. No, kasi ako yung tipo ng tao na masaya ako pag nakikita ko yung community ko. That's enough. And I think yung recognition, secondary na lang yun. Pero pag nakita mo yung smile nila, yung lalo kong nagkakaroon ng energy. Kasi who I am, I'm just a plain mother, a housewife, na I came from nothing, diba? Pero I was able to stand. Though, alam mo yun, minsan may mga problems and critics around you, but yung focus ko is, basta may isa, dalawang naniniwala, I'll go with it. Sabi ko, kasi, di ba, you cannot help them all, but at least 1, 2, nagdo-domino effect yan eh.
yes.
Yeah, so I encourage them, kung ano yung nagawa na kuha niyong mabuti, share niyo din sa iba.
That's quite, you have a really good advocacy and I think the community here already knows who you are and what you do. So it's, I would say you're a blessing to them, and your experience and what you're providing is really not only for the community but for like people in general, especially people with special needs. What would, for someone, if someone's a byproduct of your activities, what would be the advice you'd give them for them to start?
Isa lang naman yung lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila na nakita mo maganda yung naging product nung project or naging effect sa'yo ng project, tumingin ka sa likod mo, tignan mo yung kailangan din ng tulong mo. Kasi ako ganun eh. When I was in their situation na kailangan ko ng tulong, I follow someone ahead of me. And then now, na natulungan ako ng tao, I look backward and help someone behind me naman. Kasi, totoo lang, ang nakita kong problema is we are lacking of opportunities.
Yes.
That's why I joined also startup and nakita ko yung Apex. Grabe, sabi ko, yun talaga yung dapat eh. We find solution in every problem na nakikita natin, hindi yung dumagdag ba tayo sa problema. Diba? Just ko, the world itself is very problematic na. So, ayun lang. Siguro yun yung maaambag natin sa world natin ngayon, sa community, to give and help others. Kasi we received na eh.
So it's time to give back.
Yes. Lahat ng mga trainers na kasama ko dito, they were all giving back to the community. Yun na lang yung goal. Kasi yung opportunity na binigay sa amin ng mga tao na ina-admire namin, na pina-follow namin, ngayon it's time. Saka sabi ko nga ganun, there's no perfect time. Just grab it if the opportunity is there.
Yes.
Hindi na kailangan Kasi before, lagi ako hesitant. Laging ang dami nagsasabi, you can lead. I'm so afraid to lead. Pero nung hinarap ko na siya, parang same lang din naman
So
pala.
good with it.
Saka hindi, same din naman pala.
Yes.
Tapos, I don't know, it's along the way, may mga tao na lumalapit, nako-connect ko. Actually, nag-reach out din ako. Most of the time, I reach out. Then, pag nagtiwala sila, then we'll go. Click. Yun lang. So, but I know I have a lot of things to learn. But along the way, natututunan ko yan eh. And nakakapag-share din ako. And that's one thing na maganda. You learn from them, and then they learn from you. We share good to others. Yun.
Can you tell us about AFCO?
AFCO, okay.
Yes. And what AFCO stands for?
AFCO is Autism Family Calamba Organization. So, I'm a resident of Calamba. And then, during that time, after the pandemic, kung pwede na kaming lumabas, I go to BEDAW office. Then, I ask if there's a group of support system na, ayun talaga kasi hinahanap ko, yung support system na nagkakaintindihan kayo sa isang grupo. Kasi same kayo ng common denominator, you have a child na autism. Then, wala pa nandito sa Calamba.
I see.
So, nagkataon yung friend ko from Cebu, nagkanta kami dito ng seminar, so I don't ask anything from PIDAW muna that time. Tinesting ko lang actually kung ano yung PIDAW mapoprovide. Then, ayun, nag-provide sila ng venue, and then nag-invite kami ng mga ng families. And then from there, it's a year of it's a year of preparation. Last April 11, Autism Month Awareness actually. Doon ko din nilaunch yung AFCO, supported with the LGU and the PIDAW head. Yun, si Sir Louie. Siya yung ngayon na kapartner ko sa AFCO. Kasi that time, we reached 21 barangays and 100 families na attendees during that day. So, from there, nakilala ko sila. Tapos, syempre, yung mga mommies na nakilala ko, syempre, sinishare ko din yung opportunities na, like this project. Kasi alam ko, deserve nila yan at makakatulong yan sa kanila.
So, malaki pala yung community under AFCO because...
Yes po, we have different barangays here.
Wow, how many barangay?
We have 50-something barangay yata.
Wow.
Here in Calamba, I don't know the exact numbers, but dahil nakiPIDAW kasi yung data, so I connected with them. In partnership with the different centers na gustong mag-conduct ng mga studies. Actually, UP Las Bañas is one of my partner for the studies.
How about the statistics of with a lot of cases with
well, actually,
like madami ba?
Yes, actually, last symposium, we attended sa UP. Ang study base sa studies ngayon is 1:36. Ganon kataas.
Nationwide or Calamba lang?
No, in the Philippines, study.
Okay.
So, ayun yung study ngayon. So, ang aim talaga ng AFCO is to have, number one, support system, and to be yung partner ng LGU to, ask for ano ba yung pwedeng maibigay ng LGU, and makipag-partner kami with the different companies or agencies or NGOs na gustong tumulong. Kasi I am connected with Lions Club. They also help me na sa mga projects. So maraming mabubuting tao na gustong mag-partner. Kasi nakikita yung situation. And one thing na gusto ko sa AFCO is matulungan din yung parents itself. Kasi kailangan namin ng mas support system. Kasi kami yung caregiver ng bata. And also, yung effect sa community. Gusto ko yung paglalaki sila, as of now, may nagagawa na kami sa community. Awareness, and naman yung dissemination of information here in our Philippines, lalo na dito sa mga provinces, is very limited. So, we connect with the help of the LGU, barangay, other organization, para ma-empower lalo. Kasi yung impact mo sa community. Yung malalaman nila, okay, there's a child na ganito, anong gagawin ng community? Pag lumaki ba sila, pag lumabas na sila sa totoong mundo, anong kayang ibigay ng LGU? Can they work?
Yeah.
At swerte lang talaga ng mga taga-Calamba kasi the LGU itself really help the people, lalo na sa PWD.
And I think...
Nakita mo naman siya.
Actually, I've witnessed it firsthand. Yeah. And the way... It's just amazing what you're doing. Because from where you came from a very simple situation, now you're doing more than what even most would do. And you created this community, you created AFCO. And I think that's a lot of work. I know a lot of people, and this is something that not a lot of maybe LGUs appreciate or even the community appreciates, but because of you, you're making a whole lot of a difference here in your barangay. Even, I mean, in Calamba
Calamba.
itself, right? Ma'am Chi Charm, we appreciate your time. We appreciate all of the events that you've been creating, the support system that you created for AFCO, for the VAs. It's phenomenal. You are. We wish we have more people like you, and we wish that all of your byproducts, all of the events that you create, are just like you. Thank you again.
Thank
And
you.
hope maybe looking forward for more projects and collaborations with you,
Yeah,
especially with AFCO.
Yeah.
We have our advocacy kind of aligns in that part because we know how difficult it is for parents, even single parents, to go through this type of situation. Thank you for your hard work and thank you for your service.
Thank
to all
you.
of us.
Thank you, Philip, for the time, effort to discuss. Ang daming na-inspire sa sinabi mo. Even me. Ako talaga mahilig ako makinig ng nakikinig. Kasi tama yung sinasabi mo eh. You can learn from others.
Yes.
Kaya ako may sipag akong mag-attend ng seminars and,
Today I've learned a lot from you.
me too.
Before, I mean, I met you back in
Sobrang
Kansas
busy
City.
kasi ako that time.
I thought, wow, she's too busy. She's not a lot going on, And then we didn't, I think we were so busy we didn't even exchange numbers.
Yeah.
But when I got here and MK told me, oh, you interviewed
Yeah.
Charles, I was probably sure. And then when I saw you, wow, you built so much. You built so much. And
Actually, it's the people behind me din. Hindi ko to magagawa. If alone, no. It's the people behind me. The support system that I have.
you're inspiration to people in Calamba. I wish you the best. And like I said, let's have more collaborations with AFCO as well.
I'm excited with that.
Same here. Let's bring this nation back.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.